Hey everyone, I'm Fernando. Welcome to Host2B Academy. Today, I'll show you how to add a gradient bar to your Shopify header. First, access your Shopify dashboard. On the left, click the Online Store button. This opens the Themes page. Find your current theme. Click the three-dot menu button. In the new menu, select Edit Code. This opens your themes file page. In the Filter Files box, search for base.css. You'll see a file named base.cs. Click it to open your store's appearance script. This code controls your entire store's look. We'll scroll down to the very last line of this script. Just keep scrolling to the bottom. At the last line, which is blank, we'll hit enter to add a new line. Here's what we'll do. Visit host2b.net. The link's in the description, and that's where we'll find our code. Simply go to the code and click the copy button at the top. Click to copy the code, then go back to Shopify and paste it into the blank line we left. After pasting, a gradient bar will be added to the header. This bar looks like a rainbow with various colors, but you can change it to any color you want. To do this, you can visit the website linked below. There's a CSS gradient link. Select it, copy it, and open it on your computer. When you access the site, this page will open where you can customize the gradient. It's easy to set up. There's a top bar showing the available colors. You can see some predefined settings here. To set it up, just click on the color. Here it's divided into 3 colors. Click on top and select the color you want. Then you're going to click, select the color, and you can set the percentage of that color you want. After which you can go to the second color and choose the one you desire. And then you go to the last color and choose. If you don't want a color, simply click on it or delete it. You can also edit here on the right side, so you can select the colors you want and their percentages. If you want to add a new color, just click on the bar. And after you arrange the bar as you prefer, say I put 3 colors here. Below it will generate a code, and you just come here where it says background, and you will copy from linear gradient text to the end of the line and copy. So you just copy this line here from the linear gradient, go back to your script, and after returning to Shopify to add the new color we created, we'll go to the first line where it says linear gradient, and what we'll do is select this entire line from linear gradient to the end. Just select it all. It's a long line, then delete it. After deleting, paste the new code to add the color you created. I don't want to use that color. I'll use my default color instead. After setting my color, you can choose any color you want. Then go to the top right and click the save button. Once you click, the changes will be saved successfully. Now when you visit your store, you'll see the gradient bar we set up. I hope this video was helpful. Goodbye.